how to lengthen and thicken hair in just 1 week. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been struggling with thin, lifeless, or slow-growing hair, then this natural method could change everything for you. Today, I'm sharing an effective remedy that uses only natural ingredients, things you may already have at home, and delivers fast, visible results. This is a hair lengthening recipe that works quickly, and it's super simple to prepare. The best part? It's chemical-free, budget-friendly, and incredibly nourishing. You'll be amazed by the transformation in your hair's length, thickness, and overall health. So let's dive into this natural and effective method for lengthening hair. This not only helps your hair grow faster, but also strengthens it from the roots, adds shine, and prevents breakage. If you're looking to prevent hair loss, regrow thinning areas, or simply add more volume to your locks, this home remedy is going to be your best friend. These are powerful home remedies for hair growth and thickness, and I'll explain how each ingredient helps as we prepare the solution. Now, the question that many people ask is, how does hair grow fast? The answer lies in nourishing the scalp, improving circulation, and providing essential nutrients, all of which we'll cover in today's recipe. So here are some tried and tested hair lengthening tips that you can start using today. To prepare this magical hair solution, the first thing we need is rice. Yes, simple, everyday rice. But don't underestimate it. Rice improves damaged hair and is known for its ability to treat hair loss over time. It's rich in amino acids and nutrients that help strengthen hair follicles and encourage new growth. Start by cleaning the rice thoroughly with water to remove any impurities. This step is important, especially if you're using non-organic rice. Once cleaned, you'll be surprised to know that rice doesn't just lengthen hair. It also makes hair thick, and even helps in treating baldness when used consistently. It has moisturizing properties too, so it hydrates dry hair and treats scalp fungus, which is a common reason for hair fall. Next, we need orange peel, something we usually throw away, but it's actually packed with benefits for your scalp. Orange peel treats several scalp problems, including dandruff, itchiness, and even hair fall caused by buildup or clogged follicles. Take the orange peel and cut it into small slices so it blends well with the rice. Not only does orange peel give shine to your hair, but it also makes your strands soft, silky, and beautifully fragrant. Now, take a saucepan and put the cleaned rice into it. Then, add the orange peel pieces you've just cut. Next, we're going to add bay leaves to the mix. This may surprise, but bay leaves actually help in increasing hair density. They're great for soothing the scalp and are even used in some ancient remedies for treating hair loss naturally. Now comes one of the most powerful ingredients: Rosemary. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to your hair roots and encouraging faster growth. Add 1 tablespoon of rosemary, either dried or fresh, depending on what you have at home. Rosemary not only thickens the hair, but it's also known for preventing hair thinning and shedding, especially with regular use. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add 2 cups of water to the saucepan with all these ingredients. Let's boil the ingredients on low heat, so the nutrients from each item are slowly released into the water. Boil the mixture for about 15 minutes. You'll notice the fragrance changing and the color of the water deepening. After boiling, just let the mixture cool down completely before the next step. Once cooled, pour the mixture into a clean bottle. You can store it either in the refrigerator or in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. This solution stays fresh and usable for up to 2 weeks, so it's perfect to make in advance and use daily without any hassle. Before using the mixture, filter it with a strainer to remove any solid pieces. What we need is the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. And now, what we have is a magic solution that thickens hair, strengthens the roots, and helps prevent further hair fall. To apply it, you'll need a spray bottle. Simply pour the strained solution into the bottle, and we're ready for application. Here's how to apply the recipe properly for best results. Spray the solution directly onto your scalp, making sure it's well distributed. Then, spray the length of your hair from roots to tips, covering every strand with this nourishing mix. After spraying, massage your scalp gently with your fingers. This improves blood circulation and helps the solution absorb deeper into the roots. The best part? You don't need to rinse it out. Just leave it in your hair. It will continue to nourish your scalp all day. Plus, this recipe leaves a refreshing and pleasant scent on your hair, thanks to the orange peel and rosemary. For best results, apply this recipe daily for 7 days. Consistency is key here. After just 1 week, you'll notice a dramatic reduction in hair fall, and your hair will feel thicker, longer, and healthier than ever before. Give this a try, and let me know how it worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and natural beauty remedies. See you in the next video.